Hello everyone. Today we are back with another video on the basics of C. Today we will be covering topics like history of C, what is C language, and also the features because of which we choose C over other language. Now, once an old man said, the more you know about the past, the better prepared you are for the future. So first and foremost, we would like to give a brief history of C in one line. Yes, you heard it right. Just a single sentence. And the sentence is given by history of C language. C language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell's Laboratory, USA, after languages like BCPL. Yes, we would repeat it again. C language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell's Laboratory, USA, after languages like B and BCPL. So now the time has come to explain what is C language. C language, it can be defined from five other phrases. That is, first of them being C language is the mother language. How? C language is said to be the mother language. That is, every other language from the old age languages to modern age languages like Python are made up by C language. Every compilers are made up of C language. Kernels that deals with the hardwares are made up from C language. System programming language. C language is considered as the system programming language because it used to create system software. It is a low level programming language, that is, it can talk and command hardwares and also interact with them. C language is generally considered mid-level programming language. Why and how? What is low-level programming language and what is high-level programming language? So basically, low-level programming language are the language that a computer understand very easily and we cannot. Example, Hindi. Hindi is a language that computer doesn't understand and we do. It is a high-level programming language. Low-level programming language includes assembly language that a computer understands, but we cannot. That is it being a low-level programming language. C language is considered as a mid-level programming language because it can be used as a high-level programming language and also can be used as a low-level programming language. Now, C language is also a procedure-oriented programming language. What do you mean by procedure-oriented programming language? Procedure-oriented programming language means, let's for example, making a tea. Making a tea need a proper recipe, a proper steps to to make the tea, to cook the tea. Example, we first need to have the water, we then need to have the sugar and everything all. So C language is just like making a tea. We have a proper steps for every other task, and we follow them to achieve our goal. So and C language is a structured programming language. What do you mean by a structured programming language? In structured programming language means it has structures, various different small parts of the programming language that can interact with each other to function like a complete programming language. As of now, we have done completed with the what is C language, and now we will explain some of features that C language provides us. Some of them being simple. C language is highly simple language. C language is highly simple language. Because why? Because C provides structured programming approach that divides the complete program into different parts that is easy to understand by the programmer. Now, C language is also very fast. C language is among the fastest programming language, even faster than Python or Java. C language also has a rich libraries Rich libraries means C language have different built-in functions that help the programmer to understand and to write the programs more efficiently and faster. Now, C language also provide memory management, which is very efficient. C language also gives the concept of pointers, and also it also gives the concept of recursion, which two are the most important features of the C language, as they will be discussed further.